Hello friends, welcome to Friend Study channel. Today we are starting our first series of GD and leg check topics for SSB aspirants for defense examination for officers post. This video contains a lecture topic on Naxalism. So by assessors in SSB interview, only 3 minutes given to aspirants for give a lecture on the play cards topics. So let us start our first video on Naxalism. Firstly, we will discuss about the background of problem, where the Naxalism arises. The Naxal word comes from the Naxalbari area. It's a town or in Naxal area in Chhattisgarh. So I will talk about the basic of problems of Naxal. Let us start by depriving the tribal depends on forest for their living from centuries. In 80s, a act comes, the Forest Conservation Act, Amendment Act. So they can't even cut branch or buck, and they left by government high and dry. This is our second point. कहने का मतलब ये है कि जो वहाँ के ट्राइबल लोग थे वो फॉरेस्ट पर ही डिपेंड थे उस टाइम पे, लेकिन कुछ गवर्नमेंट ने माइनिंग और डेवलपमेंट के नाम पे कुछ अमेंडमेंट्स किए जिससे वहाँ के सारे जंगल्स काटे गए जिन पर उनकी लाइवलीहुड डिपेंड्स थी ट्राइबल्स की. इस वजह से ये प्रॉब्लम अराइज हुई एंड लोकल सीक्स हेल्प एंड गॉट एड फ्रॉम द नक्सलाइट्स. So the Naxalite, or you can say Maoist, gave money to them, and illiterate, gullible people of tribe populations take on Naxalism. And Naxalist always looks for the fault line in our society. And the main cause of this, the tribal discontent, is root of problem. उस ट्राइब्स के डेवलपमेंट के बारे में कभी सोचा ही नहीं गया, इसलिए नक्सल प्रॉब्लम्स क्रिएट हुई. Next slide is the major affected areas. In this picture I shown to you total 4 states affected by the Naxalites, in which the highly affected states are Chhattisgarh and the Jharkhand, and subsequently the moderate and marginally comes to Andhra Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal, because in Andhra after the Operation Greyhounds the number of cases decreases. In my view, if in my view the local police, for the solution part, in my view the local police can fight the Naxalism much better, because the local police know the local language and much better way, because the local police understand the ethos of their tribes and their area. They know the local language, they have intelligence, and they know the topography of that area, and so they can penetrate and they can find out everything. So, and let's take a lesson from the Andhra Pradesh police success on Operation Greyhound. And after the tribal discontent, there has been a massive displacement of tribal population in affected areas, and not officially figures but approximate several lakhs, or some say equal to crores people displaced due to development programs, minings and others. So where they struggle for their livelihoods. For solution keywords, I make a solution on the key points so it's easy to memorize things at the time of lecturing, बिकॉज यहाँ पे हमको रेक्टिफिकेशन नहीं कर सकते. आपको कीवर्ड्स में अगर याद रखना चाहिए जिससे कि आप इजी टू मेमोराइज, कुछ आपको ओनली 3 मिनट्स मिलते हैं वहाँ पे, कह सकते हैं 2 मिनट एंड 30 सेकेंड्स in reality. So always memorize thing in very key points so you can speak on that topic. Very well. So we have to pull our socks up and we have to vigilant at all the time. And out there our intelligence is very weak in Excel area, because intelligence is very weak in Excel area. So we have to work on the intelligence part, and for the upliftment of tribal population is very necessary, and the education and the enrichment of a government benefit scheme to this tribal area or the population of these area is very needful for the solution part. So here it is. Thank you very much. And please, if you like this video, please subscribe the channel for latest update. Thank you.